Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. This video constitutes the first update to the system that I received because the creator was contemplating different ideas and he decided to update the pillars, so I am updating them before I actually create the series of videos regarding the different reasons, because obviously this update will affect the reasons. So here are the new pillars. Might is the same, Conveyance is the same, Finesse is the same, Endurance is the same, Agility is the same, Pragmatism is the same, and Erudition is the same. I am missing Resolve and Dogma. Those have been fused into one pillar known as Spirit, and we will see how this plays a role when we cover the different reasons for each of these. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 instead of 9 pillars. In the next series of videos, bi'idhnillah and God willing, we will see the different reasons or the different skills for might, then conveyance, then finesse, then endurance, and so on and so forth until we finish all of them. Then after that, we will delve into other mechanics such as combat, armor durability, weapon durability, vulnerabilities and resistances with respect to different weaponry. And I believe that will be it. And then we can create a character together at the end of this tutorial series, bi'idhnillah and God willing. And that is it for this recording. I hope this video was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.